got another wig. This wig came from SUNBERHAIR. That's how you pronounce it. Show you what I got. It's not a glueless wig, but I'm pretty sure it can be worn glueless. But because I am gonna put it in a ponytail, I am going to, you know, lay her down. Knots are bleached or whatever, but if you can see, they aren't bleached like really well. It is plucked, but there is some like a line around here, so I'm just gonna take like that little line out and I'm gonna pluck it. I'm sorry, and I'm gonna bleach the knots, re-bleach the knots, and I'll be back. While we're waiting on those knots to bleach, let me show you guys what they sent me in the bag. So we got a headband to melt that lace with. Then they sent an additional band, some lashes, 2 stocking caps, and a brush to tint the lace. Those knots are bleaching, and I'll be back. Okay, I am back. I started the unit, and it was just, I had to go out of town. Had some hiccups with over bleaching the knots. Just a lot been going on, so I'm here to finish. So yeah, my face looks different. I did press the unit out so that it's not, you know, as peaked, and it kind of gave like a relaxer. I don't have natural hair, and I don't wear natural hair, and it's just too big. Like it needs to be, definitely need to be toned down. I heard on. You can see I really over bleached the knots, but I'll fix that. And I'm gonna lay my lace down with Boho Active. No, Boho Extreme, my bad. And I'm just putting a couple dots on. I'm only gonna do 2 layers. And the reason why, because I don't really wear wigs like that no more. So I just need something to last me through the weekend. And yeah, so I'm putting the first layer on. And then I'm going to put a second layer on. And I am not a lace girl, so I don't need y'all in the comments talking about that ain't how it go. Because, girl, I'm doing it the best way I can, honey. I'm a glueless girl, okay? So I'm going to put another layer on and get that smoothed out real good. And I'm just let that dry. And then I'll be back. So she is dry, and we going to lay her down. Now you can see I did over bleach the knots as I said earlier, but I don't give a fuck because I'm gonna wear it. And I'm just making sure I'm pulling that really taut. I'm fancy taut on the sides and have that laying down. But honestly, I ain't gonna lie, and it's not because this is a promo video, but this was a very easy wig to apply, because I get some wigs that they don't be wigging, honey, and I'm not a lace girl, so, you know, doing all of that stuff and tricks and all of that to make it work, I can't do that. I need the lace to work. You know, when I lay it down, I need to do it and need to do what it's supposed to do. So one on the other side again with my Boho Extreme. I actually like the Boho Extreme over the Active, and I'm just blending that in with a rat tail comb, and then I'm going to go in with another layer, smooth that layer in as well, and then I'm going to allow that to dry, and I'll be back again. I'm gonna let that side dry, and then I'll melt. Okay, so this side has dried. So I wanted to put this in one ponytail, but I didn't want to glue the back down, and I didn't want it to look weird in the back, so I did it another way. But this definitely could have been a really cute high ponytail. And look how the lace is just like blending in with my skin, and I haven't even tinted it or cut it or anything yet. So I'm cutting it now, and no particular way, just cutting majority of the lace off. And then I'm gonna go back after I get everything cut around my ears. And it was just so easy. Like, it wasn't super big where it wouldn't fit over my ears. Like, most lace would just be so big on me. Like, this one actually fit really good. See, on the very ends, there was like a little bit of lifting. So I just went back in with my boho liquid gold, and just kind of laid those little pieces down.
Team DMS.
Okay, so I'm going to pull out a little bit of hair for some slight baby hair. It's not my specialty, but I'm going to make it work. And just so it's not so straight across, I guess you can say, have some kind of something. I started to just leave it like that and just curl those pieces, because I've seen that and that was really cute, but I know that was probably going to get on my nerves, so I'm going to go ahead and just swoop those down and pull a little bit of the edges out, like around, very subtle, you know, and just kind of dress it up a little bit. Okay, so I'm back. So now I'm just getting everything the way I'm going to do the final style. Look, still trying to put it up in a one ponytail. Because I'm like, oh my God, this would have been so cute. But I'm just going to part some of the hair out and wear it like that. Wouldn't that would have been cute, y'all? I'm probably going to go back and do it. I don't know. I want it. I just want one ponytail. But this is cute. I actually like the way it came out, or is coming out. Yeah, I think it's really, really cute. And then I really wanted to do the high ponytail, but I just didn't want to glue this ponytail all the way down, glue this wig all the way down. So this way turned out cute. I'm going to spritz it down and put my wax stick and everything on there. I'm just using 2 black small rubber bands and keeping it very, very simple. lace tint on here. It was a boho, and I forgot the girl collaboration. I've had it for a long time, but she ended up passing away from lupus, and I actually forgot I had this lace tint, and I was in my cabinets and found it, so I was like, oh yes, I really need it, so it came in handy.
Team DMS.
Not know how to properly pronounce it, but I believe it's like SUNBERHAIR. The hair, actually, I was very reluctant to doing this. I procrastinated like a lot because I was like, what the hell I'm gonna do with this hair? But it actually worked out, and it's cute. It's light. It's my hair. This ain't no wig. This is my hair, y'all. So if you like this wig, I will leave the link in the description box below where you can check it out. I also have a coupon code for you to check out as well. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to be notified, and I'll see you guys again for the next one.